We're going to a super secret private spot. There he is. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Hold up, you got him. What do we got? Oh, yeah. Oh, big old brownie. Holy smokes. Bring him right over here to the bank. Bring him right over here.
That was it.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna cast the same cast kind of by that tree, okay? See how close you can get to it.
Whoa.
Okay, okay, okay. Perfect. Okay, reel it a little bit. Go ahead and try to reel it in. Okay, stop it right there. Stop it, stop it. Now, twitch it. Okay, wait, let it sit. Twitch it now. Twitch it again. Oh, that's perfect. Twitch it again. Twitch it again. Keep working it up. We're gonna make another cast.
Oh, I never worked it up.
Good job. Oh, oh, you got him?
Oh, you got him.
You got him, okay. Ah! Okay, bring him right over here. There we go. Okay, let's pick him up.
You get him.
Wanna try to get the hook out? Hold him. Here, you just pull the hook out and I'll hold the fish. There you go.
I want to poke you.
You won't poke me. There you go, push it like that. Good job. That's a largemouth bass.
Right?
Yeah, put him in there nice and easy right by your feet. See this hole right here? Put him in right there. Watch him swim away.
I pushed him upside down.
See how fast he
That's
is?
so fun.
Before we went fishing, because we always wanted to see what the bait were, the fish were eating. So let me show you. So see these flat rocks like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what you did is you slowly, and you made sure the sun was in the direction of the rock that you're pulling it up. So you ease this rock up real slow.
Harder.
Oh, hold on. No, nothing there. Okay, you see him right there? You see him, Tucker?
No.
Right there, look, see him?
Oh, crawfish.
Yeah, see him? So the fish, they eat these, they love them. So if we were looking at a bait, we would look at something that would match this right here. Let's let him go then.
I want to watch him.
Okay. See how he swims backwards? Now he's gonna bury up in that little hole right there. Look how hidden he is. Pull, you got him. Rod up, remember, rod up. Oh yeah, this is
a hard
okay,
one.
easy. Let him fight, this is a good one.
Oh.
Okay, rod, oh!
Come on.
Really, pull him up, you got him. Yes. Hold your rod up. Hold your rod up like that. There you go. What do we got here? What do we got here? Yes. Ooh, look at him. Bring him over here. What's that called?
Sunfish.
That is, yes, that is a bluegill. That is right.
I love bluegill.
You love bluegills? You want to hold him?
One time I ate him for dinner. Dad made him for me,
Really?
and I loved it.
Here, I'll hold your pole for you. The torpedo catches everything.
Okay, can I see?
Yes, you can.
What? I know why it's called a bluegill, right?
Why? Show me. Point to it.
Here.
What about on the other side? Right there. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Should I touch its eyeball?
Yeah, if you want to.
No.
Okay, you got him?
I've touched it.
Pinch him hard. There we go. Fish catches down. Check. Riddles down. Check. Give me some love, baby. My man.